Chapter 19 Hanuman. Ram and Lakshmana watched as a powerful figure approached them. Although striking an imposing presence, there was a calmness about him. "Greetings, friends. What brings you to our humble abode?" "We seek the assistance of the Monkey King, Sugriv," replied Ram. Ram and Lakshmana related the tale of Sita's abduction by the demon king Ravana and their quest to find her. Hearing this, Hanuman's eyes gleamed with wonder. "Ah, yes, Lord Ram. We have heard the legendary tale of the exiled prince of Ayodhya and his devoted wife and brother who chose to accompany him into the wilderness. The news of your heroic, single-handed victory over 14,000 Rakshasas have spread far and wide. Come with me. Sugriv will be pleased to meet you. Like you, he has also lost his wife. Perhaps you can be of assistance to each other." Ram was impressed with Sugriv's emissary. He had the look of a fierce warrior, but he was also eloquent in speech, every bit a fine statesman as any that Ram had met in his father's court. Unknown to the princes, Hanuman was no ordinary Vanara, forest dweller. He was the spiritual son of the wind god Vayu. When Hanuman was a child, he saw the sun and mistook it for a fruit. He leapt into the air to grab the orange globe and consume it. This brought him to the attention of Lord Indra himself. To protect the sun, Indra struck down the child with a bolt of lightning. The bolt struck his jaw, leading to the name Hanuman, which means one with a disfigured jaw. Indra's actions infuriated the wind god, and in retaliation, Vayu withdrew the air from the earth and heavens. To appease Vayu, the gods granted Hanuman various powers, including the ability to change size, incredible strength and speed, immunity from fire and water, health, and immortality. However, a mischievous youth with such power caused many problems with the sages, and as a result, they cast a spell which caused him to forget his power, until such time he was reminded of his true potential. Following Hanuman, Ram and Lakshmana arrived at Rishyamukh mountain, where Sugriv and his exiled followers resided. The Vanara king, wary at first, listened as Hanuman relayed Ram's plight. At last, the Monkey King spoke. "My brother, Vali, has driven me from my kingdom and taken my wife. If you help me reclaim my throne, I shall aid you in your quest to find Princess Sita."
Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.